Hi, Scott from Berrigans Nursery. Today we'll be repotting this native gardenia. What you'll need is a pot, some potting mix and some fertiliser. First off, we'll fill the pot to about this sort of height with potting mix. Then we'll take this plant out of the pot and take any weeds on that off the top of the pot. Put them in there. So it wasn't enough mix, so we'll just top them up just a little bit more. Put him in the middle and then put some potting mix around the outside of it. About halfway up the root ball. Then grab some of your slow release fertiliser. And then top him up with potting mix. Give it a little bit of a shake to settle the mix down. And that's how you pot a plant. Now give them a really good drink and you're set to go. See you next time.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date for our next upload.